guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Lexus and this is my creative space. For today's video for 31 days of Lex, I've kind of fell off the schedule a little bit with all my filming ideas I listed in my content planner, but that's okay. I'm still getting them done. It's just I've gone like out of order with what day I'm filming what type of thing, if that makes sense. But anywho, today I decided I kind of just want to film a day in the life type of video. What I've been doing so far, it's like early, yeah, it's like only a little after 12, and hold on. Pretty much 1 o'clock now, and I have been up being productive since about 7 this morning. So I'll have to do like another life update video for you guys, and I'll probably incorporate that into my makeup video. So maybe I'll do that for tomorrow's video since I want to do a makeup look. But I have just really been trying to grind and work hard here on a lot of things I'm trying to do with my life, and just to continue to get a step closer and closer to my overall goals in life in terms of my career. So I don't want to go into too much detail right now, but I will let you guys know. If you haven't seen it on social media, or like for instance my Instagram, a few weeks ago I did ask all of my followers to vote on a poll that I posted, asking basically if you had to choose between me publishing a book or creating some sort of blog sharing my story, which would you prefer to watch or, you know, read or whatever. And majority of my followers selected a book over a blog, and I had the intentions of doing a book anyway. So yes, I've been in the process of working on a book. It has just been a little bit more difficult right now to be consistently writing because, for one, I do have a daughter now. I have my first baby. I'm finishing my last semester of grad school right now, which has been overwhelmingly busy, a lot more busier than I thought. Like, we've been pretty busy throughout the semester, so I really thought they were gonna like slow us down in the last semester, but exact opposite.
Thank you for calling. This is Taylor. How can I help you?
Yes, hi. I feel like I'm going in circles, or I've kind of like lost track here, but long story short, you guys, I have been in the process of working on a book. Yes, writing my own book, and my goal is to have it published by the end of this year or by the beginning first of next year. So just be on the lookout. I will be making announcements and uploading content, letting you guys know as soon as it's ready to go and on sale. Also just trying to look more into my research and options for my other business venture project that I'm hoping I can start up by the end of this year as well. The sooner the better, I feel, at this point. But financial resources is still a TBA type of thing. I'm still waiting on a couple of processes here and there, and just trying to see how that's going to turn out. So that's like why I don't really have a definite like yes, it's happening this year, or like no, it's not going to happen just yet. But again, the more I know and things come out and all that good stuff, I will be sure to let you all know. You know, even though we're still basically kind of in the pandemic right now and stuff, I strongly am in dire need of a vacation. I cannot tell you how much I just need one. Like, it's really starting to hit me, and I feel like I'm just gonna like crack one day. I don't know. But I'm just like, oh my gosh, get me out of our place, get me out of here. I just really need a break, you guys. I just want to escape for just a few days, a week, 2 weeks, 2 weeks max. Like, I'll be grateful for like a couple days, like a little weekend getaway, but like, oh my gosh, you guys, like, I just want to go away on a vacation so bad. I know there's millions of us right now probably saying the exact same thing and feel the exact same way, but I am just really like, oh my gosh, I need a life. And don't get me wrong, I am so grateful. Like, I would not trade being a mom for anything. And if you guys told me like years ago I was gonna be a mom, like, I so would have laughed in your face and said, yeah, right. Because I never ever thought I was gonna be a mom. And especially after getting sick, like, I never thought I was gonna get to have a kid. I believed my doctors when they told me that. And even just prior to being sick, like I said, you know, like, I never had the desire or hopes to be a mom. So now that I'm living through the experience of being a mom, like, I absolutely love it. And I am so thankful and grateful that I have an amazing baby. Like, I'm not trying to brag or be a downer on people that maybe struggle with their kids or babies or anything, but I really do have a sweet, genuine baby. Like, she reminds me of myself, and I mean, she's absolutely wonderful. Kaya is such a good baby, and she's funny, and I just love to see what she's gonna do next every single day as she continues to grow. And I remember being on the outside looking in, I used to always be like, what is so rewarding about that? Like, you have no life when you become a mom. Like, it doesn't get to be about you anymore. And I guess, you know, I'm a bit of a selfish person. I kind of was before even finding out I was pregnant, and I just really wanted to get through all these goals and dreams and things I wanted to do in my life, all the traveling I wanted to do. I wanted to really enjoy and do all that stuff before I ever considered what options to even try and be a mom or, you know, raise a child.
And we are back. Here's Miss Kaya having some playtime before she has lunch. Yeah. Look at the cutie. And then I'm gonna have my lunch now. I'm just having some tuna. This is mixed with garlic powder and lemon pepper. That is so bomb. And then I'm having like a handful of the siete tortilla chips with sea salt. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are dangerous.